Brian, a lot of energy goes into choosing a colour for a home, so people spend a lot of time to make sure that that colour is right. How do we help them protect their colour vision?
Oh, that's so important for them to protect their vision. Imagine going through the painstaking process of choosing the perfect color for your home. There's over 3,500 colors here. You spend all that time to pick that perfect color that you see every day in your home, just to have a painter choose a lower quality product when building or when painting your walls, just to save a few bucks.
That's right.
When you go for a lower quality product, you're not going to get the Gen X coloring system in your paints. That's what really makes Benjamin stand out product. We, as a paint company, make sure to get the right color down, and we make sure that the product that you're choosing these colors in is top quality as well. Going with anything else is just honestly a horror show.
That's right. And the Benjamin Moore colours are unmatchable, aren't they? So no other company can really match the colour exactly. So that's why we're here. We're here to make sure that your colour vision is protected. Come down and see us at the Benjamin Moore stand here at the Building Design Centre 7 days a week.
That's right. You deserve more. Benjamin Moore.